Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what the Spanish flag looks like. The flag of Spain is a vibrant national symbol featuring three horizontal stripes. The top and bottom stripes are a bold red color. The central stripe is a bright yellow, and it's notably twice the height of each red stripe. This distinctive design makes it easily recognizable worldwide. Many versions of the Spanish flag proudly display the national coat of arms. This emblem is centrally located on the wider yellow stripe. Specifically, it is positioned slightly towards the hoist or flagpole side of the flag. While private citizens can display the flag without it, the coat of arms is mandatory for official use. The coat of arms itself is rich with symbolism, representing the historical kingdoms that formed Spain. It features a royal crown at the top and is flanked by two pillars of Hercules, which symbolize the Strait of Gibraltar. A red scroll wraps around these pillars, bearing the Latin motto plus ultra, meaning further beyond, reflecting Spain's historical explorations. The colors of the Spanish flag hold deep meaning. The red stripes are often said to symbolize the valor, strength, and the blood shed by those who fought for the country. The prominent yellow stripe is emblematic of the nation's wealth, generosity, and prosperity. These colors, along with the coat of arms, tell a story of Spain's rich history and identity. For more great deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.